to Crypto Finder. Today we're going to show you how to buy XRP in Australia, the cryptocurrency associated with Ripple. And so the first thing I want you to do is just go down into the description of this video and open up the link to Finder, which is a guide on how to buy and trade Ripple XRP. Now the reason I want you to go here is it actually shows you a list of different exchanges which you can use to buy XRP in Australia. So you've actually got quite a big list here, but I'm just going to pick one of these to show as a demonstration. Lots of great exchanges, and if you want you can load more down the bottom, and if you'd like to learn more about XRP, the rest of the guide has a bit more information on it. So let's get started buying. I'm going to use Coinspot as an example because it offers two different ways of purchasing XRP. One super basic and super easy way, and one way that I wouldn't call it complicated, but it just gives you more control over the price that you choose to pay. Okay, so once you've made an account with Coinspot and you've gone through the KYC, which is the Know Your Customer process, that's just where you have to give your ID to prove who you are, you'll be greeted with a dashboard, a web page like this. And so as you can see, there's a bit going on. Lots of different stuff, but what we want to buy XRP is either buy and sell or markets. So the first way I'm going to show you is the really super simple way, where you just click on buy and sell. And what you're going to do here is click on Ripple, buy XRP. And the way that this works is Coinspot themselves are going to actually give you a price for XRP. So this is sort of like the rate that they've come up with on the day or on the hour. And it just gives you a really easy way of purchasing. So you put in how much you want to buy, $100 worth of XRP. So you put in the amount of Australian dollars you want to spend, and then it just shows you how much XRP you'll get in return, and you can go ahead and click buy. So it's really easy, it just shows you the price of XRP per unit there. You put in how much Australian dollars you want to spend there, and then it will give you the total amount that you can buy with that. So that's really basic and straightforward, but again, this is a price that they are giving you. You're not actually entering the market and looking at the charts and finding a price that you want to pay or that someone else is offering. So to do that, we want to go over to markets, and this is where we can offer our own price for what we want to pay for XRP. So we've gone over to markets and we go view XRP market. Now just give it a moment for the charts to load. Come through in a moment with a chart that shows the historical price. There we go. And we can see right now that it's up to 46 cents. So that's pretty similar to what we had on the immediate buy and sell. Let me just see what that was. XRP. So they were also offering 46 cents. The decimal is a little bit off, but it's pretty good, the immediate price that they've offered you there. But let's say that we've been looking at the charts and we see that the price recently was down at 45 cents. And it was even as low as 44 cents a few days ago. So we want to get in on that lower price, and we want to capitalize on that volatility, which is what you generally like to do with cryptocurrency or any Forex market. So we want to put a bid in for 45 cents per XRP. So with that, it's really easy. You just set your price down here in the second box. Let's go with 0.45. We won't put any other numbers after that. So that means 45 cents in Australian dollars. And let's put in how much we'd like to buy. So if before we were happy to spend about $100 on XRP and the price is 45 cents, we're going to try and buy about 220 units of XRP. There you go. My math was nearly spot on. That would cost us 99 Australian dollars. So once you're happy with the amount of XRP that you'd like to purchase and the amount that you're paying per unit in AUD, you just go ahead and click on buy XRP. You'll get a chance to review your order, and now you're going to go to confirm buy. Now alternatively, you can over here switch to AUD, and you can just put in the amount of XRP that you'd like to buy for the amount that you're willing to spend. So let's put in $100, and it'll tell you how much of that you can buy. It will give you $100 worth when the price is 45 cents. So again, you can change the price. Let's change it to 42. And you put in the price again, and now it will automatically calculate for you how much that is. And so you can see here it'd be 238 XRP at a cost of 42 cents per XRP, spending a total of $100, and it even breaks down the fees for you there. So that's really all there is to it. Really simple. Once you've purchased that XRP, you can go over to wallets, and this is where you'll actually see the different cryptocurrencies that you've got. And if we scroll down to XRP, there we go, XRP Ripple. So we can see there the amount that we have would be there, and it will calculate using this rate here what the value of our holdings were in Australian dollars. So let's say that we'd bought $100 worth of XRP and we'd paid a price of 45 cents. We'd see here that the price is now 46, and we'd see that reflected over here by the amount of XRP that we owned being worth a little bit more than $100 because the price would have gone up. So that's really all there is to it. It's super easy, super straightforward. If there's any other exchanges or coins that you'd like us to provide a guide on how to buy, let us know below in the comments. If there's any other currencies you'd like a review on, let us know. And if you did find this helpful, please make sure to subscribe and give us a like, as it lets us know what you're interested in and helps us keep creating more great content.